Ito po ang DTF machine dito sa Robinson Novaliches. Araw-araw naman ito nagagamit. Na may 117 meters kaming nairan as of this week. Ito po ang heads. Ito po ang capping. 80% namang working ito. Last na napalitan yung heads nito, ito lang December 4. Head clean. Nozzle check. Ang ink system ay tama lang. Racing tank, ground wire, use ink, unused ink, film, powder. Ito naman yung nagamit sa powder. Cyan, magenta, yellow, white ink, film, weekly consumption, workload, inventory, monthly maintenance checklist. Maraming salamat po.